Hello, welcome back. Are you ready to wake up your body with me? Just roll your mat and follow me. Let's practice together. Let's do it. Lift your shoulders all the way up toward your ears. Exhale. Roll them back and down. Now we're gonna side stretch. Turn your palms toward the ceiling. Take a deep inhale. Lengthen through both sides of your waist. Exhale, gently lean to the right, back to the center, and try for the left side now. Grow even taller. Relax your jaw. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. And when you're ready, return to center and release your arms. Bring your hands up to the ceiling. Interlace your finger and your thumb index point to the up. Lengthen your spine first, then gently open across front of your body. Keep your neck comfortable. If you feel pain in your neck or back, release back to center and try to do it again. We're gonna have some stretch, not forced, not pain. That's actually really good for the back pain and lift your energy. Okay, back to center. Going to forward fold. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, hinge from your hips. Keep your spine long. Slowly fall forward. Bend your knees as much as you need. Let your head become heavy. Relax your neck. And release any tightness through the back body. Now we're going to half lift. Inhale, lengthen through your spine forward. Draw your shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, fall back down. Step back to tabletop. Slowly bend your knees. Place your hands firmly on the mat. Take a deep inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, lift your gaze, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, press the floor away, draw your belly in, cat pose. Move slowly with your own breathe, feel every part of your spine waking up. Inhale hard, forward, exhale, round and release. Now coming to child pose. Stretch your hands in front of you. Open your knees as wide as feels comfortable. Sink your hips back toward your heels. Rest your forehead on the mat. And breathe. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Let's release all the tension of your body and get ready for the new week. Coming to downward facing dog, tuck your toes, lift your knees. And then plank. Shift your shoulders forward over your wrist, coming to plank pose. Back to downward dog again. Plow your feet. Now walk your feet toward your hands. Slowly roll all the way up to standing. Sweep your arms in center of your heart. Bend your knees. Sink your hips back. Come into chair pose. Keep your weight in your heels. Relax your shoulders. And coming to warrior 2. Step your one time left foot back. Next time right foot. We're gonna do it warrior 2 and triangle pose, and then we're gonna do it the same process for the other side. Turn your back foot slightly in, bend your front knee, open your arms wide, gaze softly. Relax your shoulders, feel strong and grounded. Lower your left hand to your shin, extend your right arm toward the ceiling, open your chest, keep both legs strong, going to triangle pose, breathe slowly. Back to center and do the same process for the other side. Same process, warrior 2. Feel steady, feel comfortable. Now come into triangle pose. Keep breathing slowly. Inhale. Now rise back up. Bring your feet parallel. We're going to do the standing twist. Grab your left knees with your left hand and gaze and right hand to the right side. Try the other side, the same process. Keep looking at one point. It helps you to keep your balance. Just do as much as you can and listen to your body. Do not force. And the final step, fall forward again. Notice how much easier this fall feels right now. Hope this practice bring back all the energy you need for the new week. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for practicing with me. Take this energy into the rest of your day. Namaste.